change your WhatsApp ringtone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change ringtone on WhatsApp. The first thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp on your device. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here select settings. Now scroll down a bit and you will find the option of notifications. Tap on that. Here you have different sections such as messages, groups. You want to scroll and get to the calls section. Now you have the option of ringtone. Tap on that. If you want to change this, you can simply select any preferred ringtone from here. Before that, you can simply tap on it to preview it. Once you're happy with the ringtone, you can simply select that and then head back. Now your ringtone has been successfully changed, and whenever someone calls you on WhatsApp, the ringtone that you selected will be played. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.